Hello, we're going to create a series of videos on creating a GitHub repository. The first step, the first video, is making a local repository. So you'll want to make sure on Windows that you have Git for Windows installed. Just take all the defaults. You'll also get the Git credential manager. Make sure you get that. What it gives us, the other thing it gives us is the Git bash shell. So it's a Linux bash shell. So you can print working directory, you can list files on directory, Linux commands, and then you get your Git commands. Oops, not that, but Git. So we have this shell to interface with Git, and then local source files. I have a program I've been working on. So the source files are this fader_test.ino. We'll see more of that. And then what you want to do is from the Git bash folder, you want to create a repo. So I'm in the same folder you can see here that my source code is. And I want to tell Git that I want this to be a repo. So I do Git, I'm going to do Git init and just take the default. And now Git knows this is a folder, and in Windows it creates a hidden file. Creates a hidden file here for Git. So now Git knows that this is a repo. Then I want to initialize it. So I've initialized it. Now I want to add my source code. So again, from this folder, this is how it knows what repo I'm working with. I want to add what's in the folder. So I'm going to hit dot, which is everything in the folder, and it's done it. So if I do a git status, I can see there's no commits yet. I can see there's a new file. And that's the one that I want to then commit. So commit is the next step, and this is the major concept around Git. You make code changes and you commit them one at a time, and then you can undo them, you can manage them. That's what source codes management is. So we're going to commit, and it's a git commit command. It must have a message to help you be organized, and we're going to call this first commit. And once I do that, I now have a local repo on my machine in this folder that I can get to through this bash shell, and it has my source code in it. So that's the first part, and we'll create videos for the next part. Thanks.